In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Canva website in just a few minutes. Whether you're using Canva for the first time or you're already familiar with it, this video will guide you through these simple steps to bring your design online. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take your creative ideas and turn them into a live web page that the world can see. Let's start by heading over to Canva and opening the design you want to publish. Once your design is open, navigate to the top right corner of the screen. You're going to notice a button labeled Publish Website. This is your go-to option for taking your Canva design from a simple graphic to a functional web page. Go ahead and click on it. When you do this, you'll see a variety of options for publishing. These options give you flexibility depending on the type of content you're looking to share and the audience you're targeting. After clicking the Publish Website button, you'll be prompted to type in a specific URL for your website. This URL is crucial because it's how people will find your site online. Think of it like the unique address for your home. It needs to be recognizable and memorable. A good tip here is to use your name or a meaningful phrase related to your site content. This helps ensure that the URL is both personal and easy to remember. Once you've decided on what your URL should be, type it into the provided field. With your URL set, the next step is to finalize the publication of your website. Go ahead and click Publish Website once more. Canva will start working its magic, and in no time your website will be available online. At this point, Canva takes care of hosting, so you don't need to worry about finding a separate web host or dealing with complex coding. Your focus can remain on the design and audience engagement rather than technical details. Remember, once your website is live, you can always come back and make changes to your design in Canva. It's as easy as making the adjustments you want and republishing. This flexibility means your site can grow and evolve alongside your creative vision. Before wrapping up, here's a pro tip. Share your new website URL with friends, family, and colleagues to gather initial feedback. This can be invaluable in making any necessary tweaks and ensuring your site resonates with your audience. Feedback can lead to improvements not only in the design but also in how effectively your message is communicated. And there you have it, a beautifully published Canva website. Now go ahead, spread the word, and let the world see your creativity. Thanks for watching and happy designing.